Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you make a very easy harvest gnome using a glass bottle and an old sock. So let's get started. To make this easy gnome, I'm going to use a bottle. This is just a bottle from my balsamic vinegar. I'm going to use an old sock for the body, but if you don't have an old sock, but I'm sure everyone has one lying around somewhere, you could just cut up an old t-shirt. Pass the bottle into the sock and place an elastic band around. And then cut off the top. And you could use this top part for the hat if you wanted to, by placing it down like that. But I'm going to use a piece of burlap today. Now for the hat, I have a piece that will wrap around like that. So I'm going to hot glue this into a tube. And then at the top here, I'm going to gather it. When I frayed the bottom of the hat by pulling out the strings, I'm going to use these strings to tie off the top of the hat. Like that. I made a small bundle of raffia, and I'm going to glue that down in the top of the hat. If you don't have raffia, you could just find a few little branches from outside and put that in there. And I cut 2 patches from some orange felt, and I'm going to glue those onto the hat. And I'm going to take a black marker and add some details to the patches. And I'm going to glue on a couple of buttons. I'm going to make a bow with some raffia. And glue that on the hat. Like that. And I'm going to wrap some paper towel around the top part where the hat will be fitting. And I tied it off at the top. For the beard, I have a bundle of raffia, and I'm going to tie that off into a bundle. And I trimmed it down a bit. So I folded it so that the knot is here, and I'm going to glue that right there. And then glue it down the front. If you don't have raffia and you have lilies growing outside, usually you can go out and pull out your lilies and make them into raffia, or you could use mop replacements and use these strings as the beard. And I made 2 small bundles, and I'm going to glue those on both sides of the hat, tuck them inside. And I'm going to glue a bead right here for the nose. If you don't have a bead for the nose, cut off a piece of sock, like that. Take a piece of paper towel and roll it into a ball. Place the ball in the center. Now I'm going to pull these 4 corners up, so put some glue pull up a corner and pull up this corner. Like that. And I'm just going to wind a bit of thread around. And then trim this off. Brush it with some blush. And then you can use that for a nose. And I have a little silk sunflower here. I'm going to glue that somewhere on the hat. I think I'll put it here. And I have this tiny little wreath, and I'm going to glue the wreath on the opposite side as the flower. So right here. And I made a little bow out of jute, and I'm going to attach that right here. Like that. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make a harvest gnome with an old bottle and a sock. And this would make a great centerpiece for the table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.